Miss Watson, and this is my player. And math is fun. Let's learn.
It's a great math lesson, and today we're going to be doing the 100 chart, and we're going to be doing IXL, answering questions on IXL about the number patterns on the number chart. It's really important for you guys to be able to look at the 100 chart and answer questions about sequencing. It says,
select the number that is 1 more than 91.
okay, so select the number that is a 1 more than 91. So we go to 91 and we count up one more, 92. Okay.
Select the number that is 1 more than 17.
Okay, we go to 17 and then we go up one more and we have 18. Okay.
Select the number that is 1 less than 83.
Okay, so when you guys are looking at this 100 chart, don't look at all the numbers at once because it can be really confusing. We need to just look for 83.
Select the number that is 1 less than 83.
And they already shaded 83 in for us. So we need to go to the number that is 1 less. Not one more, 1 less. So that means we need to go back this time. So we need to start at the 83 and then we just go back and hit the 82. Okay.
Select the number that is 1 less than 99.
Okay, one that's 1 less than 99, and they have the 99 shaded in already. So we just need to do what? If we need to find 1 less than 99, we need to go where? We need to go back. Yes, go back 1 to 98. Okay.
Select the number that is 1 less than 49.
Okay, same exact sequence and same exact pattern, same exact process. We're just going back because it says select the number that is 1 less than 49, and that would be what number? Pause the video and see if you can pick the right number. Just point to the screen if you think you know the answer. Okay, if you pointed to 48, you are correct. That's right. Select the number that is 10 more than 9. Okay, now here's a couple ways I could do this. I can either start at the 9, which they have shaded in, and I can count on 10, or I can just say, hey, go down. That's 10 more, because I can just put a 1 in front of the 9 and add 10. So that's how I'm going to do mine. I'm not going to waste my time counting 10.
Select the number that is 1 less than 33.
Okay. Go back 1. Voila. There we go. I'm going to speed this up. Select the number that is 1 less than 60. 59 is 1 less than 60. You guys see how I'm utilizing this number chart? Select the number that is 10 less than 8. Don't need to count back. I just need to look at the 18, and then I need to go up because the way this number 100 chart is written, it's in a pattern. So the 10s go like down. So all I have to do if I want to go less is go back up 1, and it will be 8. Select the number that is 1 more than 53. Pause the video and give this one a go. See if you can do this without my help. It's 1 more than 53. If you selected 54, then you are correct.
Select the number that is 10 more than 56.
Okay, based on what I just said about the 100 chart being written in this pattern right here and being designed in this pattern, if a number is 10 more than 56, then which way should I go? Should I go to the right? Should I go to the left? Should I go up or should I go down? Think about this for a second. It's 10 more. So based on what I just said, you should actually go down because each number is 10 more than the number on top of it. Okay. Select the number that is 10 more than 42. Same exact process here. I want you to pause the video and see if you can figure this one out. If you have a whiteboard, you can either write the number down that you think it is, or you can just point to the screen. Okay, if you said 52, then you are correct if you went down one. Okay, select the number that is 1 less than 28. If it's 1 less, should we go to the left, to the right, up, or down? If it's 1 less, we need to go back to the left, Okay, select the number that is 10 more than 28. I'm going to speed up. 38. Select the number that is 1 less than 60. 61. 1 less than 61 is 60, I mean. See, I'm going too fast now. My mind is skipping the steps. Select the number that is 10 more than 15. Voila, 25. And if you know how to count by tens, you don't really even need the 100 chart to do this. Select the number that is 1 more than 78. If you know how to count by ones, do you really need the 100 chart? No, you just add 1 to 77, which is 78. But this is good practice so you can learn how to use the 100 chart in different strategies. Select the number that is 1 more than 96. 1 more. So I go forward 1 to the right. Select the number that is 10 less than 70. 10 less than 70, 60. Enter in the challenge zone. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, let's go. Select the number that is 10 more than 67. I'm speeding this up. I'm good all day. Select the number that is 1 less than 78. 77. Select the number that is 1 less than 93. I'll give you a chance to figure this one out. 1 less than 93. You don't need that much time. All right, if you pick 92, you're correct. Select the number that is 10 more than 75. Okay, we already know 75, 85. Select the number that is 1 more than 71. So we have 71 here. They shaded that in for us. So we go 1 more over to the right, and that's 72. Select the number that is 1 more than 66. No, that is 10 more than 66. 76. Okay. Select the number that is 10 less than 92. So 10 less, should we go up or should we go down? Should we go right or left? We can't go down because there's no number there. We want to go 10 less than 92. 10 less than 92. Pause the video and give this one a go and try to figure this one out all by yourself. Okay, if you said 82, you are correct. All right, select the number that is 1 more than 21. Go to 21 and go 1 more over, and you have 22. Okay, last one. Prepare yourself. Select the number that is less than 1 less than 8. Okay, pause the video. Try to do this one all by yourself. The number that is 1 less than 8. Okay, what do you have? What do you have? If you have a 7, you are correct. Yay, we done. We mastered the 100 chart. Mastered 100. Spent 7 minutes and 30 seconds. 28 out of 28. Good job.